Yo, what's going on, guys? Back with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make gummy slime. So, well, first you're going to need some gummies. Can be gummy worms, gummy bears, really like any sort of gummies. I mean, if you want to do it sour, I don't think I've ever tried. But, yeah, so I have two bowls here and I'm going to like cut the colors in half. Okay, now that you have the stuff in the bowl, like the gummies, I just cut them up to look like cool colors. I have red, green, and purple in there, and orange, yellow, and red. I have clear, green, and blue in there, and then red, yellow, and orange. So then you're gonna want to melt it for like, say like 30 seconds at a time in your microwave. So I'll do that real quick. And while those are microwaving, you can put some of this cornstarch, if you have that, in a bowl with some powdered sugar. Do that real quick. After you do that, like the sugar is for the taste and like the cornstarch is to like hold the slime together. After you do that, you're gonna take your bowl of gummies, pour some of it in, then just stir it up. Then if it's like liquidy still, pour some more, mix it up. And you're gonna have to mix for a while, so after I'm done mixing, just like mix it until it looks thick. So after I'm done mixing, pause it. So that's how you make some gummy slime. The more cornstarch you put, the more compact it is, so it's better and doesn't stick as much. But if you put more cornstarch, because I didn't have that much, so if you put more cornstarch, it's more together or whatever. So yeah, bye guys.